What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And today we getting colorful. Today I have the UCLA Nike Dunk Lows. These are pretty, man. Now, if y'all new to the channel, I don't really like regular dunks. I mean, if they dope, they dope. But I'm more of a SB. SB, a lot of Halloween dunks has been coming out. I actually copped one, even though it's a regular dunk. I didn't really want to get it because I own the Mummies. And I don't see a Halloween dunk beating the Mummies. I mean, the Freddy Cougars, of course, but who can get their hands on them? So right now, these are my champions when it comes to Halloween dunks. But again, I did cop them. Once they come, we'll do a full in-depth review on these. But back to these pretty UCLA joints here. And y'all know I go to LA a lot. I was in LA 3 weeks ago in front of the UCLA campus. I told my girl, yo, I should take a picture in front of here because the UCLA dunks are coming out. She like, you don't like regular dunks. You ain't gonna get them. Now look at us. Would have been a perfect thumbnail, guys. But we're going to get into a full in-depth review of these. They're nice, man. I don't care what the pictures say. These are nice, man. More than regular when you get them in hand. Hit the B-roll. Talk no more. We'll talk at the end of the video. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So you get your regular Nike box. I keep saying regular. You get your OG Nike box, the dark red. This is the box you usually get when it's not a QS, meaning quick strike. It's not an SB, or it doesn't have some kind of theme to it. Nike just blesses us with the red box. Big swoosh Nike logo on the back. All the bells and whistles. But let's read the code. It reads Nike Dunk Low Retro Blue Jay Blue Jay. Doesn't say anything about yellow, but that's what it says. Flip open the lid and you get your OG tissue paper. Nothing else. Let's start with the right shoe. Yes, sir. So here's a 360 view of the Nike Dunk Low UCLAs. And I'd be honest, guys, if the yellow was what the blue was, it still would be a nice shoe because the vibrance of these colors matched together is super dope. So let's start with the toe box. Your regular Nike Dunk leather does have some bounce back all around it. But let's look at the yellow, guys. It's like a perfect yellow, like if you was in Photoshop and you just put the paint can on yellow and it just went there. Around the yellow, you got your blue. I want to say royal blue. I mean, the box is saying Blue Jay, but I want to say royal blue is the UCLA color. But that's around the yellow there. And that leather is also good leather. As you can see, a little bit of tumbleness right here and around the toes. The color blocking yellow in the middle is perfect in my opinion. Blue swoosh on top. This leather is actually better than original leather. Come around. Got like your composition notebook thread in there, seen on every Nike Dunk, even some SBs, with this Nike OG Dunk logo. I mean, it's original, it's regular, but it works every time for me. and that's in yellow threading on top of the blue leather. Come around, same as the outside you have in the inside. The classic mesh tongue is in that yellow, like a mustard seed yellow, but the yellow tag on top is a little darker with a Nike logo swoosh at the top. In the same, both yellows, just this yellow looks a little darker, maybe because they're on top of each other, but it's definitely darker from my eyes. Y'all let me know. It comes in your yellow shoelaces. I wish they would have gave us some blue shoelaces also, but that's a $2 cop you can always get. But the yellow sitting on top of the yellow does sit nice for me. The bottom, if you had any Nike Dunk, any Air Force One, high, low, doesn't matter. You get this same bottom. Sometimes they play with the colors a little bit, but this is all Blue Jay at the bottom. The inside is all blue also with the yellow Nike swoosh logo in the inside. And this is the first time I copped a Dunk off the Nike app. Not the Nike sneakers app, the Nike app. The Nike app's been wilding, guys. Pay attention to the Nike app. They're getting crazy. Whole bunch of Jordan restocks. Dunks are coming out every 2 weeks, different colorways. I was kind of upset because I still haven't got a black and white Panda Low from the Nike app. Nike saying, yo, if you gonna get it, it ain't gonna be from us. But I was able to get these, and I really like these. The good thing about these, it's not only UCLA, Golden State Warrior fans could go crazy on this. I will have a hotter style coming sometimes next week, but I just wanted to get the full in-depth review of this sneaker. The leather's perfect, not a glue stain, not a stitching problem on my pair. So I'm going to give it an A1 for quality, man. Let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section below. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.